The shop is a complete mess at the moment. I'm packing up for the NEPA tattoo convention and I need to bring everything. So right now I have to, go through all this stuff, make sure I have all my things, my chair, I need my armrest. I also have a different bed. I'm not gonna bring that one. I have a travel bed that I'm bringing. There's a backpack that I'm gonna be using, a box. We're bringing the Get What You Get tattoo game, but not that book. I have a ton of different prints that I'm gonna be selling. We got signs for the booth, my iPad, some camera stuff, things are charging. Everything is everywhere. Oh, and I have to bring my light as well. But yeah, it is quite hectic and I'm going to show you what I'm bringing. Hopefully I don't miss anything, and maybe if you are going to your first convention, maybe my little list of things will help you think of something that you didn't. So the first and most important thing that I'm going to bring are my machines. I'm bringing the Critical Torque and I'm bringing the Ava EP7 Plus. These are my both most used machines at the moment, I would say. They're both battery powered, which is going to be convenient, so I'm not going to have to worry about a power supply, but I do have to worry about not losing battery power while tattooing. So I have a set of the Critical universal batteries, Critical Torque batteries. On the Ava EP7 Plus, I have the batteries that come along with those. Then I have the adapter that'll go onto the Critical Torque. I can then just put the Critical universal batteries right on top. Oh, I didn't even know that one was on. Now to transport all this stuff, I have the Sullen Black Pack case. So this is padded and then you're able to strap in your machines for travel so they don't bounce around. So now we got these successfully mounted in here. The other side is basically like a little tiny compartment, and I'm going to be putting all of my batteries in this side. Cool thing that I just realized about this case is it comes with these little dividers. So I'll be able to hopefully make this travel proof so nothing breaks. I could still kind of hear them bouncing around a little bit. Next, I'm gonna grab my cleaners, Optum 1 and Opticide Max, and then also my green soap. So instead of bringing my entire jug of green soap, because that's just crazy, I'm gonna put it in one of these little bottles, and hopefully this will be enough for the weekend. My green soap is usually very diluted down, and I think this will be plenty. Looks like a little tiny bottle of pee. All right, let's go through all the stuff that I have going on here. I told you earlier, tattoo machines, green soap, cleaners. I also have to bring my tray, I forgot about that. So we have a bunch of grip wraps. We got some wash cups for the water. We got petroleum jelly. We got regular distilled water, some alcohol. We got big ink caps, small ink caps, and I don't have Ziploc bags, so I just put them in bottle bags. We have a ton of rubber bands. I have an excessive amount because I have a bunch of prints and I want to be able to roll those up for people that buy them. We got a whole bunch of markers. Oh, grip wrap down, can't use you anymore. We got a bunch of razor blades, stencil stuff, Big Sleeps Killer Bee Black. These are clip cord covers, bottle bags. We got Saniderm. I also have scissors in there. I kept a really simple palette. I'm gonna be doing nothing crazy with all this stuff. I'm just gonna keep it simple. We got a box of nitrile gloves and then a box of latex. Got a whole big roll of plastic wrap, and then we got dental bibs. Oh, and I also have bed sheets. Now I have to go through all of my needles, decide which groupings I want to bring, and then I also have to buy some more paper towels as well. When it comes to needles, these are my choices. I'm doing a 15 mag, 23 mag. I don't really have very many in that box, that's why I'm bringing 2. Then for my liners, I'm doing super tight 3s, straight 7, 7 liner, 7 shader, and 2 14 shaders. I don't have very many in each one of these boxes, that's why I'm bringing so many. But those are my liner choices and my shader choices. Now everything I'm putting in my backpack are like more expensive things that I want to bring with me home at night. Like I got my machines in there, my stencil printer. Well, these just didn't fit in the box. I got the Get What You Get tattoo game in here. I still got to figure out where the little dice rolling container is going to end up. I'm also going to put my gimbal and my iPad in there as well. and I'm sure that I'm gonna shove a few more things in there. But I don't wanna leave this at the convention overnight. I don't mind leaving all the, like, those supplies, because that's only like a couple $100 worth of stuff. That's all where the money's at. Got a whole bunch of prints over here. So first one is, let's see, what do we got? Oh, this one. This one is the one that I made my banner out of. I really like it's called the Rocket Apocalypse. Next one is this like melting Polaroid picture thing. I don't know, I really like that one. I think that one's my favorite. And then the last one, I'm not gonna pull it out because it's on the bottom of the stack, is this Mario cash only thing that I made. Next, what I wanna do is I wanna take my banner, which, how cool is it? The answer is very cool. This, I'm going to be rolling this up with in an attempt to save space. So then that way I could just put them both in the same skinny box and they will come with me to the convention. I bought this new tattoo bed just specifically for this convention. My bed doesn't have these little handles, so I figured it would just be easier. So let's open it up and see how it is. It does feel quality. It was only like 100 some bucks off of Amazon though, so we'll see. Oh, no, not that one. Nah! There's all types of stuff inside. What are these things? Ooh, I get a bag, which I don't really want. And directions, we don't need those. What are you? Don't know. You look comfortable. And these are for the arms. Ah! There we go. All right, that's not bad. It does not seem like somebody that's huge can lay on this thing. Oh, and then also this back, whoop. The backside is supposed to stay up. So let's see how comfy this puppy is. Oh yeah, we are not very stable. Hopefully it gets the job done. I'm certainly very concerned about the stableness of this table. I don't know if you could see me, but I am wiggling and wobbling. So this is all the stuff I have to bring to this convention. This convention doesn't provide you with anything except for like the area that you tattoo in, so you have to bring everything. Different conventions are different. Some conventions might provide you with more things, so this might be slightly different than your experience, but I am excited to go. I was going to be bringing my new chair, the stool that I sit on, but I didn't really feel like bringing it, and I'm just gonna try to sit on one of the chairs that are there, and hopefully it's not terrible. The second day, if my butt and my back hurt from it, then I'll stop at the shop and I'll grab it because the convention is not very far from my house. But I'd like to try to bring the load down as low as possible. But either way, I am excited to start doing more conventions. I want to travel more, and this one's just in northeastern Pennsylvania. It's a small one. But throughout next year, I'm gonna try to go to more of the bigger ones. If you do a lot of conventions and I miss something, leave down in the comments what you like to bring to the conventions, and I'll learn something, and so will everybody else. But I appreciate you all watching and for the support. I'll talk to you all later.